right, hey, this is the 10.3 practice page on 214. And in my last video, we did this activity here where we learned that if I'm dividing powers that have the same base, then my shortcut to rewriting it as a single power is just to subtract the exponents. So you leave the base the same at, in this case, 2, and you just subtract the exponents, 4 minus 2, to get the exponent on your singular power. So that's all I'm going to do here. That's all I'm doing. This whole worksheet is pretty much about that. So problem number, how about number 2, for example? I'm going to rewrite my base as negative 21. That's the base. And let's subtract the exponents. 15 minus 9 is 6. There you go. We just did it. We wrote this as a single power. Boom. Okay. And occasionally you might need to use the product property and the quotient property at the same time. So like, for example, number 5. And quick reminder, if I'm multiplying powers with a common base, like if I forget about the denominator for a second, the trick here, if I'm multiplying powers, is to add the exponents. So I'm going to rewrite this as 8 to the 7 plus 4 is 11. This is 8 to the 11 over 8 to the 9. And now I am dividing powers. So my trick is to subtract the exponents. So I'm going to keep the base the same at 8. 11 minus 9 is 2. There you go. That is how I would do problems like number 5. Okay, team. Yeah, ready, set, have fun. And do you have to do problem number 9? Good question. No, you don't. But for those of you that want to accept the challenge, the answer is just 3.6 to the third power, and it turns out that's 46.656, so about 47 times greater. The volume of the basketball is about 47 times greater than the volume of the tennis ball.